Overall Equipment Effectiveness, or OEE, is a comprehensive metric used to evaluate the performance of manufacturing equipment, machinery, and overall operations. By monitoring and enhancing the efficiency of manufacturing equipment, companies and organizations can achieve higher productivity, reduce costs, and improve competitiveness. OEE is important because it forces organizations to evaluate the productivity rate at which they are operating and not the productivity rate at which they hope to operate. While setting goals and striving for improvements is crucial, far too often, organizations will make decisions based on their targets or goals instead of actual running productivity numbers. It is important to understand that OEE is not a standalone tool, but a cog in the larger machinery of manufacturing excellence methodologies such as Lean. Lean is a methodology that aims to continuously improve manufacturing efficiency to achieve the required value for the customer by utilizing the lowest number of resources needed. OEE, with its ability to identify waste and inefficiency, is a key accessory in the Lean practitioner's toolbox.